The MacArthur Foundation believes that human rights is at the core of good governance. So our grant making aims to advance human rights protections and increase the reach and quality of justice. At this time, we see some emerging trends. We see new demands for using national and local accountability systems to bring perpetrators of atrocity crimes to justice. Citizens and NGOs around the world have become bolder in demanding basic human rights and freedoms from their governments. Stunning advances in communications technology is just changing the way that human rights advocates do their work. Finally, it is not surprising that governments are pushing back against the emerging power of civil society. These new trends suggested to us a framework for our new strategy going forward. Defending freedom of expression and enhancing criminal justice. We feel these two pillars are important to human rights work because they form the basis for human rights advocacy. Free expression creates the conditions through which other human rights are exercised and really helps to build the foundations for transparent and accountable governance. Our grant making will include attention to media freedom, protection of journalists, access to information, and ensuring a diversity of voices. Rights have very little meaning unless there are ways to enforce them. And MacArthur has signaled the importance of criminal justice throughout its grant making as a means of strengthening human rights protections and holding violators accountable. In our current evolution, there will be an emphasis on using national and local justice systems to hold perpetrators of atrocity crimes to account. One of the ways that we're able to do this is to work at a very grassroots level in the focus countries where we're working. So cases that are taken to local courts are closely connected to the victims who have been suffering abuses. Civil society is an increasingly potent force, and the opportunities for making progress are very great. So our grant making aims to advance human rights protections and increase the reach and quality of justice. We have a special emphasis now under our new strategy for reaching people on the ground and bringing justice closer to home.